Many people snore without realizing it. While it may seem harmless, snoring can sometimes signal an underlying airway issue. When your airway becomes partially blocked during sleep, your body has to work harder to breathe. This can disrupt restful sleep and affect how refreshed and energized you feel the next day. At Perry Family Dentistry, we focus on the connection between oral health and whole body wellness, including how airway health impacts sleep and energy. Airway-focused dentistry looks at the bigger picture. By evaluating your bite, jaw alignment, and airway space, we can identify signs that may contribute to snoring, restless sleep, or breathing challenges. If you or a loved one notices snoring or restless sleep, it may be time for a closer look. Schedule your whole health smile assessment today.